act in the real world. So often they are simulations of actual robots. Some cases they have these simple soda can-like robots, but often they are not very advanced. But there is this RoboHow project with actual robots that make pancakes. And they use also a kind of simulation-based approach. And they use it to facilitate natural language instructions. And then they think it's a good idea to also have the robot simulate the consequences of what could happen in certain situations to test the instructions beforehand. So to conclude then, why should we have these simulating and dreaming robots? Well, the first thing that's commonly known is, of course, well, Kenneth Craig expressed it in 1943. There are some disadvantages to this as well, but that's if you have the ability to simulate or dream about dangerous things, what will happen if I jump off this cliff? Then, of course, it's very good to try this out in simulation and not in real life. So then you can try and act and try these dangerous things in a safe environment. That's the same thing that happens in a flight simulator or any kind of simulator, basically. Simulations could perhaps also be used to understanding the intentions of others, and I think Peter is going to talk a bit about that, perhaps. It can also, as we showed, it can make the waking behavior more effective. You could perhaps even discover entirely new ways of coping with the world. So it could help discovering new, perhaps creative ideas. And you can also see that it might have a very good effect by reducing the time and energy that the robots need to spend in engaging with the world. So it can actually stand still, not using that much energy, and also in its dream state or simulating state, and learn things just from simulation. Of course, the difficult thing is to learn how to make it learn the right things and make this work in the actual situation. So that's what all these projects are about, or the ones involving KUKA, for example, with those robots. Okay, I just went 4 minutes over time, I think. So I say thank you for listening and hope you enjoyed it.